Rogue planet is a planet that was originally in a different star system, and it was kicked out and is now wandering the cosmos, divorced from its parent star. How do you detect gamma rays? You use something like this, which is a general multi-purpose radiation detector. It uses a Geiger-Müller tube, which is sensitive to gamma rays as they pass through it. They emit an electrical pulse, which you'll hear as a beep on the meter. There it is! Oh, sweet! You're actually watching something cross all the way through the atmosphere and actually leave Earth right there. When a nuclear bomb goes off, you produce a lot of very energetic radioactive material, and that's sucked up in the fireball along with a bunch of dirt. And if it gets high enough, it gets carried downrange by the wind and literally sprinkles out of the air, falls out.
Oh my God.
This is an extraterrestrial impact site. Confirmed. I mean, you want to talk about ET? Right there.
Where?
Right there, you're looking at it.
Well, not as exciting as the crash sites I want to go to.
Come on, this is like Michael Bay stuff. This is cataclysmic. Plastics, foams, insulation, fiberglass, that's all delivered into the ocean ecosystem. We have no idea what the long-range effects of that are going to be. One of the most mysterious aspects of this scenario is the fact that the fire underneath Centralia is burning so far underground. It's hard to know what's actually going on down there. So how do you investigate that? How could you? You have to go underground. That runway number tells you what direction it's facing. In 0 to 360 degrees, you add a 0. So 35 becomes 350. There are a lot of mundane objects that are up in the sky, and we're just not used to seeing them these days. We spend most of our time looking down, not up. Think of it as a tractor in the ocean that's carrying cold water from the Arctic and forcing warm water up from the tropics. And what that does is it cools down the equatorial region and heats up the Arctic. You know, I see something like this. This is a significant event. I mean, this is like a major earthquake. It's essentially split a highway in half. This really makes me want to get into the town and actually collect some real data. How bad is the fire? Has it changed over time? Is it getting worse? You know, ultimately, I want to know, is the danger still real here?
Watch it, it's moving. Don't touch
don't
anything.
touch it.
That's unusual, guys.
We're looking at a Chinese lantern. Over.
Oh,
I've honestly never seen anything like this before. It's f***ing crazy.
I think the last time I saw a Chinese lantern was in Karate Kid 2. They've got a launch complex right next door. They needed an earthen berm to shield the observers, and, well, the nearest place to borrow it was right here. So it's simply an optical illusion. It's a trick of light play. It's that simple. There's always a way to survive. I don't believe in a no-win scenario. I'd like to think that we've reached a point in civilization now where even if you have something as astronomically catastrophic as a gamma ray burst hit us, I think we could still find a way to survive it.